So I just wanted to say a massive thank you for the support over the past 12 months. We've just hit 5,000 subscribers, which is a remarkable achievement. When I started back in 2020, I couldn't have predicted how big this channel would get in such a short amount of time. I've had a really busy December, and I'm also a little bit under the weather at the moment, hence why my output has gone down a little bit recently. But here's a little preview of my next build, which hopefully will be on the channel in January. Thank you very much for watching, and here, have a look at what I've made over the past 12 months. Thanks a lot. And if you celebrate, I wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.